often organisations have got some sophisticated or quite mature systems around physical safety, around audit and assurance, and applying the concepts of lines of defence is often considered to be leading practice around arming the frontline operations first to ensure that controls are both in place and effective, using support functions like HR or the health and safety function and the like to support another level of assurance, internal and then external assurance. So having those layers of defence in a coordinated fashion can help ensure that controls are not only in place, but give everyone in the organisation some sort of assurance that things are okay. And as organisations start thinking around their own assurance programs, often it's a case of saying, well, how can we integrate psychosocial factors and the controls we have around psychosocial factors into that assurance program? Doesn't necessarily need a whole new assurance program for managing psychosocial risk. It could be some simple things you can add into an existing framework. An example of that could be some sort of an assessment. It could be the evaluation of other measures or metrics or controls that you have in an organisation to be able to track those over time.